Hey guys, Double Wide 6, and today I'm working on a Tecumseh Snowblower starter, and I don't actually have the right tools. They make a kit to remove and replace this gear. I got the gear, I don't have the right tools, but we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove it without the right tools. So I have safety glasses on because there's a couple springs. Starting out with the 7/16 socket. And we're going to tap on this, and this ring will lower, and now you can see there's like a C-clip that's on there. And they do make a special tool for this. I'm going to bring you in so you can see what we're doing to get this off. So here's a look. This is the ring that needs to be removed, and it's on there pretty tight. So I'm going to zoom you back out and show you how you get it using screwdrivers. Okay, so I'm going to start at the end of the ring, one of the ends, and I'm using a 1/4-inch chisel, and I'm going to try and get this underneath the ring, and we'll give it a tap with the hammer. And we had it started there, but it just slipped off. Let's try that again. There we go. Now I lost that ring, but it doesn't matter because the kit came with a new one. So that's what we're going to use. And you're going to want to watch the order here. This retainer slides off. There we go. And then there's a spring. And then our gear. And this bottom threaded part. There we go. Turning it the wrong way. Alright, so all these parts are in our kit. We just need to make sure we put them on in the proper order. Time to put this back together. Start out with a little bit of ATF. This is a good lube for this. If you use grease, it'll get hard when it's cold out, and then your gear won't lift. So we'll put on the first piece, that'll thread down. And then this is a 16 tooth gear. Some of them are different depending on what you're doing. So here's our spring. Next up, we'll put on the clip. Oh, sorry. This top piece will go on. And now we got to put on this ring. And as I said, I don't have the right tool. So I think this seems pretty tight. I'm going to open this up a little bit to help get it on there. Make sure that doesn't shoot off. Hang on a sec. I'm going to have to take it out of vise and open that up. Alright, so I have the clip in the vise here, a little hard to see. And I'm just going to take some needle nose pliers and pry that open a little bit. It's spring loaded, I think. Alright, we'll try this again. So, put this little cap on here, and I'm going to lower it down and use a vice grip. That should allow me enough room to get our ring on. And I'm starting one end of the ring, and I'm gonna have to, I might even try and open this up some more and then just tighten it. I'm going to try and see if I can't open it with 2 pairs of pliers here. It looks like it moved. Yeah. Alright, I have it very close to going on there. I'm going to put my finger over this half and tap this one down. There we go. So now it's on, and what I need to do is tighten it up. And to tighten it up, I'm going to use channel locks, I guess. Yeah, there's a fair amount of slack in there I'm getting out. I think that'll be pretty good. Just try it this way. Not the easiest thing to do, but that part, or yeah, the tool to take this thing off, you know, like 50, 60 bucks, and I only use it, I would only use it a couple times a year. You can see how the gear lifts up to engage the flywheel. So that's working as it should, and you might think like, well, why would I go to all the trouble to do this? And the reason is these starters from Tecumseh, they're about 170 bucks, I believe. And if you have a stripped gear, you can just get the gear and those parts and you should be good. And I know that tool's probably about 60 bucks or so to pull that C-clip off. And you know, I don't really feel like I need it. It was a bit of a pain to do this, but you know, it's a $25 repair rather than $170. So it can be done. It's not the easiest thing to do, and to tell you the truth, I'll probably end up buying a tool down the road anyhow. But I've done it before, so I figured I'd just show you guys how to do that. So if you like the channel, please subscribe, and if you have any comments, put them down below, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Take care.